In the heart of a lush and mystical land lay an enchanted forest, where every tree whispered secrets of old and every breeze carried the melody of ancient tales. Within this forest, there lived a young girl named Elara, with eyes as bright as stars and a heart filled with curiosity. Elara had heard stories of the enchanted forest from her grandmother since she was a child. Tales of magical creatures, hidden treasures, and adventures waiting to be discovered. With each passing day, her longing to explore the forest grew stronger until she could resist it no longer. One sunny morning, with a sense of determination in her heart, Elara set out on her grand adventure. As she stepped into the forest, the air seemed to shimmer with anticipation, and the trees whispered words of encouragement. She wandered deeper into the woods, following the winding path lined with flowers of every hue. Birds sang melodies that seemed to guide her, and butterflies danced around her like playful companions. The forest was alive with wonder, and Elara felt a sense of belonging she had never experienced before. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, Elara stumbled upon a clearing bathed in golden light. In the center of the clearing stood a magnificent tree, its branches stretching towards the heavens, adorned with sparkling jewels that glittered like stars. Drawn by its beauty, Elara approached the tree with awe and wonder. As she reached out to touch its smooth bark, a soft voice spoke from within the tree. "Who dares to disturb my slumber?" it asked, its tone both gentle and commanding. Startled, Elara took a step back, her heart pounding with fear and excitement. I am sorry," she stammered. "I didn't mean to disturb you. I was just exploring the forest." The tree seemed to consider her words for a moment before speaking again. "You have a kind heart, young one," it said. "I sense a great curiosity within you, a thirst for knowledge and adventure. Perhaps you are the one I have been waiting for." Elara's eyes widened in astonishment. "Waiting for me? What do you mean?" The tree chuckled softly, the sound like the rustling of leaves in the wind. "I am the guardian of this enchanted forest, tasked with protecting its secrets and treasures. But my time in this world is coming to an end, and soon I must pass on my duty to another." Elara listened intently, her heart filled with both wonder and trepidation. "Are you saying that you want me to become the guardian of the forest?" The tree nodded slowly. "If you are willing, young one. But know that it is not a task to be taken lightly. The forest is filled with wonders beyond your wildest dreams, but it is also fraught with danger. Only a brave and pure-hearted soul can take on the role of guardian." Elara gazed up at the magnificent tree, feeling a sense of purpose stirring within her. "I may not know what lies ahead, but I am willing to try," she said, her voice filled with determination. The tree smiled, its branches swaying gently in the breeze. "Then it is settled. From this day forth, you shall be the guardian of the enchanted forest, tasked with preserving its magic and protecting its inhabitants." And so, Elara's life changed forever as she embarked on her new role as guardian of the enchanted forest. With each passing day, she discovered new wonders hidden within its depths, from shimmering waterfalls to secret glades where fairies danced in the moonlight. But along with the beauty of the forest came challenges and dangers that tested her courage and resolve. From fierce creatures lurking in the shadows to treacherous traps set by those who sought to exploit the forest's magic, Elara faced countless trials on her journey. Yet through it all, she remained steadfast in her duty, drawing strength from the knowledge that she was protecting something precious and sacred. And as the years passed, she grew wiser and more powerful, her bond with the forest deepening with each passing day. Eventually, the time came for Elara to pass on her role as guardian, just as the tree before her had done. But she did so with a heart full of gratitude and joy, knowing that she had served the enchanted forest faithfully and honorably. And though her time as guardian had come to an end, Elara knew that the magic of the forest would live on forever, woven into the fabric of the world like a thread of starlight. And as she bid farewell to the enchanted forest, she carried with her the memories of her adventures, the lessons she had learned, and the love that had guided her every step of the way.